Hi everyone, my name is James Niehaus from FunnelEnvy, and today I want to talk to you about multi-step forms, why our clients love them, and how they can maximize your site revenues. So, why our clients love them? First off, they work. We typically can see 20, 30, 50% improvement in form conversions, so meaningful results. Secondly, they can often enhance and complement your existing ABM and personalization programs, so it really adds to the value. And thirdly, it works great on forms, but also works pretty well across most of your site. And we'll talk about some examples of that in this presentation. So, as end users, we need to recognize, we all hate forms, whether it's a mortgage form, a tax form, or B2B lead form, right? So the industry recognizes this, and some industries have actually adopted and evolved. So, leading the way, mortgage. So instead of now we complete a mortgage application online, it's going to be an interactive multi-step experience. Same thing with taxes, like an interactive multi-step experience to guide you down the path. So B2C loves multi-step, whether it's to guide people down a better path, or especially on lead gen, to help convert at higher rates. So while B2C loves them, B2B is slow to adopt. Right? So we still typically see static forms on B2B, typically because of operational hurdles. It's just easier to embed a form. But if you're willing to make the effort, like our clients, past and present, and see examples of their multi-step experiences, you can see firsthand that, all we're doing here is taking their simple static forms, breaking them up into multiple steps, making it easy to digest, asking easy intent questions at the beginning to get them started. And in the end, it improves engagement and significantly improves conversion rates. So things we've seen for some past and current clients are, significant double-digit lifts. So looking here, these are not small lifts. These are significant lifts that really can maximize and change your funnels for maximizing revenue. And some key things to keep in mind with multi-step forms, we want to make it easy. So if you think about doing it for yourself, think about in your funnel, what are some easy intent questions to ask to get them started? Also, you want to make sure you ask a couple questions. So you want to get the ball rolling. You want to create that momentum and get them committed to completing that conversion process and completing the rest of the form. So here, you don't want to ask for first name, last name, email to get started. You typically want to ask for, how large is your team? What is your role? What product interest do you have? What is your product interest? But things that are more intent focused, so they can get started without any hurdles. And again, these work great with your advanced programs like Personalization and ABM. So on the left, you see an example where we're personalizing the rest of the form experience based on the answers on step 1. Or on the right, think about, maybe we skip the form based on their target account, being part of a target account. So based on their company name and the email, you can show them, say, a scheduler instead of, say, of the rest of the form. Or maybe send them to a drift bot. But the whole idea here is based on their inputs or based on their industry, company size, or even, if they're part of your target account, you can personalize the rest of that form experience, that step experience, or even give them different routes and experiences to better convert them. And like I mentioned, it works great on forms, but even, it also works really well across the site. So we've run this on home pages, on product pages, on solution pages, on pricing pages. And typically what we see is significant improvement in engagement and also upticks in conversion rate. So we definitely recommend you explore this, try this out on your site, and check, see whatever works for you on your forms and beyond. So quick takeaways, these techniques work. They can enhance your current programs and really think about it for your forms, but also beyond your forms and across your site. And if you're excited as we are about getting started with multi-step forms, visit our site, jump into our quiz, and see if you're a good fit to work with us today. Thank you.